so this dish is it's a casserole. It's an enchilada casserole, basically.
Yum.
So it's kale, wild mushrooms. It's got some cheese in it and a red chili tomato sauce. But it has the texture of meat in a way because you get that meatiness from the mushrooms.
From the mushrooms, of course.
It's so good. So we're just going to grate a little bit of garlic with some oil, and we're going to cook some kale. We're just going to basically melt the kale in the pan with the garlic. And then we have mushrooms here going as well. These are cremini mushrooms. You can basically use whatever mushrooms you want.
Right.
Portobellos, creminis, shiitakes. So we let that cook for a little while. So we cooked the kale down. And the one thing that I love about kale is that kale is so hearty, it's really hard to overcook it.
Right.
So don't worry about it. So you just kind of throw the kale and the mushrooms together. And then I'm going to add some onions to this as well. So we have onions, garlic, you want to get all those aromatics going in there. Of course, I always put like some salt and pepper in everything that I'm cooking. The first time I made this, I had like a rotisserie chicken from the night before.
Perfect.
And like, as opposed to like having to roast the chicken. And that's what these recipes are all about. So like, if you have it, great. If you don't, it's totally fine.
If you don't, it's fine.
It doesn't matter. We have some tomato sauce here. This is like a red chili tomato sauce. We put some ancho chilies, some canned tomatoes, some chipotle chilies, some pasilla chilies, and it's got.
Do you need this one down there? Babe?
Yeah, we're gonna use that for the. Thank you, Rachel.
Sure.
Keep me in order here, and then a little bit of fresh lime, just to kind of give it some acidity,
nice.
And it wakes up all the flavors in the sauce as well. And then I like to use honey in basically almost everything that I cook, especially when I'm cooking spicy things, because it just kind of balances out the heat. Now, I don't want to make it sweet by any stretch of the imagination, but I just want to kind of balance it out.
Right, exactly. Take the edge off. Right.
All right. Can I use this to do this?
Of course,
all
sure.
Right. Okay, start.
I always turn those around. I can't work backwards.
Yeah. So we have our tomato sauce. All right, so basically here it is. So here's the rotisserie chicken, from the night before. We have some Monterey Jack cheese. We have some cotija cheese, and then we have the tortillas. So I'm going to take a little bit of the sauce and put it in here.
Oh, did I put this in the wrong dish?
No, it's fine. I'm sorry, buddy. Listen, we can do whatever you want to do.
I saw the big one. I thought that's where we were going.
The great thing, well, we want to layer this almost like a lasagna.
I gotcha.
But don't worry about it. It looks great. Right. So we're just going to take some tortillas and we're going to soften them in the warm sauce, just like that. Okay.
I see.
And you just keep going back and forth, and then you basically the idea is to layer the vegetable mixture with some of the chicken mixture, and then some of the cheese, and you keep going back and forth, and then you add a little bit.
Then you add
You're basically
a little more
making
sauce.
lasagna. Exactly. Yeah. Okay. So you just bake this for like 20 minutes with the covered in foil so it melts.
Oh yeah.
And then take it off.
And then brown it up.
And then brown it for like 15 or 20 minutes longer.
Gorgeous. Just beautiful.
But this is great Sunday night,
Oh my God.
Obviously, Sophie's going to be at my table, but your family and friends will be at your table. Or unless you invite us, and then we'll come over.
Yes. You're always welcome. And John would love this while he's watching the games, right?
Oh, totally.